This is the heat shield on the Porsche 951 that protects the brakes from the heat of the turbo, red arrow. You will need to remove this shield to replace the booster. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Before removing the booster, you will need to remove the master cylinder and reservoir. Again, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional step-by-step instructions with that task. You're going to be working inside the vehicle around the pedal cluster. It is a really tight fit under the dash. I like to remove both the steering wheel and the front driver's seat to give myself more room to work. If you want more room and you don't know how to do that, again, please follow the link at the end of this video. The brake booster shaft, red arrow, is held in place on the pedal by a clip, yellow arrow. Use a set of pliers and remove the clip from the pin and wiggle the pin out. This will free the booster shaft from the brake pedal. There are three 13mm nuts, red arrows, located behind the soundproofing that hold the booster to the firewall. Fold the carpet foam back and remove the nuts. This is the time you wish you had removed the seat and steering wheel if you haven't already. Move to the engine area and disconnect the check valve hose from the booster, red arrow. You can now easily remove the booster from the vehicle. You will need to use a 13mm deep socket and remove the 4 bolts holding the intermediate plate to the booster and transfer it to the new booster. Note the orientation, yellow arrow, of the mount. Make sure to install it in the correct position for the check valve. Now is a really good time to clean up the area around the steering shaft that is usually covered with dirt, grime, and spilled brake fluid, yellow arrow. If you have had any issues with the clutch master cylinder or it is just old, this is a perfect time to replace it. You have easy access to it and you're going to bleed the system anyway, red arrow. Before installing the booster, make sure to transfer over the pedal bracket and leave the securing nut loose until the installation is complete, red arrow. The rest of the installation is the reverse of removal. You will now need to completely bleed the brake and clutch system. Please see the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks, and do not attempt to drive the vehicle until you have properly bled the system. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.